And now the moment you've all been waiting for. Gotten a lot of people asking me to do a gear setup video, so here it is. The bike itself is a 2018 Kona Sutra LTD. The only modification I've done to the bike itself is this chainring. It comes with a 36 tooth, but I swapped it out for a 30 tooth oval. I think I can climb walls with it now. It's great. Up front, attached to the fork, I have these Salsa Anything cages on both sides, holding Clean Canteen 1900 milliliter bottles. This rack is a Origin 8 rack. I've gotten a lot of questions about that one. A lot of people like it. There's links to everything down in the description below, so check that out. Up front on the rack, I have this ground sheet for my tent. It's Tyvek. On the Origin 8 rack, I have the ground sheet for my tent. It's just a cutout from some Tyvek. Tent poles, shovel for, digging the cat holes out in the middle of the woods, some cold weather gloves, spot tracker, cycling gloves, my cook pot and fuel, rain jacket, and that's all that's on the front. Oh, it's held on by this cargo net. It's pretty nice. Onto the cockpit. All three of these are from dirt bags. And this one, that's called the burrito holder. I like it. Toothbrush, toothpaste, a notebook, a pen is in there somewhere, some fingernail clippers, and my phone is usually in there as well. This one I use for my water bottle, sunglasses, pocket knife. On this side, just won't fall over. Stop it. Stay. I keep my bear spray. Bear spray's in here, as well as a spoon, my headlamp, a neck gaiter, and some arm warmers. This is some hand sanitizer. Always keep that with you on the road. That's nice. Onto the frame bag. The frame bag is from Rogue Panda. It's called the Double Decker, and they're custom made to your frame. All you gotta do is send them a picture of your frame with you holding up a ruler to it, and they'll custom make you one. Fits perfect. Up top in this section, I keep my stove, some soap, a lighter, an emergency blanket, this bandana. This is what I use for my chainstay protector. That's usually on there. And then the rest of that room is taken up by food. I can take about 3 days worth of food in there. In this bottom section, I keep my tools. This is the Silka toolkit. Come on, open up. Start to do one-handed. Silka toolkit. Toilet paper, that's got to be easily accessible, right? Chain lube. My bike pump, which also works for my prosthetic over there. Water filter. An extra strap that I probably don't need to be carrying. This is for cleaning my chain. There's a sock and a toothbrush in there. Some bandages, too many of them. Tire plug kit. I run tubeless. Bag for the water filter. Tire levers. More zip ties. Q-tips. Ace bandage. I may stop carrying this. Don't need that. If I get into a situation where I need something like that, I can use socks or something like that and just tie it off. Some antibiotic ointment. More zip ties. Replacement clips for the Relevant Designs bag. Go up here. This design, apparently people have been breaking them, so they redesigned them and sent everybody replacements. This is a extra cord for the BOA system on my prosthetic leg. Can't break that in the middle of nowhere and not be able to fix it. Derailleur hanger. Extra lighter. tube patch, an extra tube there in case my tubeless patches don't work, multi-tool, and that's all that's in there. The seat pack, it's a Relevant Designs Terrapin 14 liter. In there I keep my Nemo Dragonfly tent, my clothes that are in an extra dry bag, so those will never get wet, puffy coat, rain pants, tent stakes, and my Big Agnes sleeping pad. Ah yes, I get a lot of comments on this. This is a loony bin bottle holder. I originally was going to use it for a water bottle, but with the tire clearance here, it just doesn't work, so my peanut butter permanently lives there. I believe that's everything. If I missed anything, please let me know down in the comments. If you got any questions, ask away. Be happy to answer. And as I said before, links to everything are down in the description below. Be sure to subscribe. Oh, I'm gonna check out the prosthetic. It's made from a mountain bike shock by a gentleman named Mike Schultz. He's a Paralympian, gold medal winner at the X Games. Brilliant man. This thing's awesome. I use it for snowboarding as well. It's not designed for walking. It's designed strictly for sports. I've got a different one that's made for walking. It's microprocessor controlled, and the battery's dying, glowing red. But all I gotta do is take out this nut here, and then this leg unscrews. You see the threads there. That unscrews, and then I just screw that one on. Hopefully I didn't miss anything. If I did, let me know. Cheers. Be sure to subscribe. Later.